In a small village nestled among towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Aiden. He was known for his keen eyesight and sharp perception. But despite his natural gifts, Aiden often doubted his abilities and felt unsure of his place in the world. One day, as he wandered through the woods, Aiden stumbled upon an ancient fortress. Intrigued, he cautiously approached, and at its entrance sat an old sage named Eldon, known for his wisdom that surpassed generations. Curious and seeking guidance, Aiden approached Eldon. The sage, with eyes as perceptive as the boy's, sensed Aiden's inner turmoil. "What troubles you, young one?" Eldon asked in a voice that resonated with years of knowledge. Aiden hesitated at first but then shared his uncertainties. "I have the sight of an eagle, but I feel lost, unsure of how to use it to find my path," he admitted. Eldon nodded thoughtfully. "Having the sight of an eagle means more than just seeing far and wide, young Aiden. It means having vision, clarity, and the wisdom to soar above life's challenges." The old sage beckoned Aiden to sit beside him and began to tell a story. Once, there was an eagle who had lost its way. It doubted its ability to navigate the vast skies. But it encountered a mentor, a wise owl, who taught the eagle the true strength of its sight. "Dear eagle," said the owl, "your vision isn't merely about what you see, but how you perceive. Trust in your instincts and embrace the clarity that your vision offers." Eldon paused, looking deeply into Aiden's eyes. "You, like the eagle, have been blessed with an incredible perspective. Embrace it, trust it, and believe in your ability to perceive beyond what meets the eye." Aiden listened intently, absorbing every word like a sponge. His doubts began to melt away as he started to understand the sage's teachings. "Remember, Aiden," Eldon continued, "to possess the eagle's mentality means not only to see the world but to perceive its nuances, to understand the bigger picture, and to trust your instincts. Let your vision guide you, and you shall find your true path." Grateful for the sage's guidance, Aiden left the fortress with newfound confidence. He began to see the world through a different lens, trusting his instincts and embracing the depth of his perception. With the wisdom of Eldon resonating within him, Aiden embarked on a journey, soaring through life with the clarity and confidence of an eagle, knowing that his vision would always guide him home.